Hello guys and parents, these are the activities for this week. I hope you're having a great family time together. In the page 214 we got listen to three friends talking, underline the sentences that best describes the main idea of the conversation. And next to that we got write the name of the speaker who. Number 1 likes the band, the Smash Heads, Zach. Next to that, we got listen to the conversation again, number the sentences in the correct order. Here we got two examples. Everyone agrees to meet at 2 o'clock is the number 6. Sharon tells them about the music festival on Saturday and the music groups is the number 2. Next to that, we got what do you think these idioms from the conversation mean? That's music to my ears. Makes you feel very happy when you hear it. Okay, that's what you think. You can write other things, but you need to write what do you think about this idiom means. That's music to my ears. This is an example, okay? Makes you feel very happy when you hear it. Next to that, we got write a sentence with each of the following patterns from the conversation. Would love plus to. I would love to go to. That's an example, okay? In the page 215 we got vocabulary builder. Listen to the vocabulary list again and repeat with your best pronunciation and intonation. Unscramble the words from the vocabulary list and write them under the corresponding picture. Like in this example. What do you think is that in the picture? Pop music, okay? Next to that we got classify the vocabulary words from page 212 in the boxes. Like in the example, music genres, rock and roll. Nouns, spectator. Directions, turn left. Prepositions, at the end of. In the page 216, we got speaking. Look at the pictures and answer the questions. What types of events do you see in the pictures? Have you been to any of these kind of events? Which ones? Did you like them? Why or why not? Like in this example, can you see here? Is a theater event. Have you been to any of these kind of events? Yes. Which ones? Toy Story, The Beauty and the Beast. Did you like them? I love theater. Okay, yes, it liked me very much. In the page of 327, we got activity 1, review, write the vocabulary words from page 212 in alphabetical order. Like these two examples, around the corner and the end of. Next to that, we got the activity 2, reinforcement, see how much this word cost. Add the amounts and write the total for each word. Use the code below. Like in this example, country. And this is the cost for the word, okay? Country word costs 35. That's all for this week. Have a nice week. Take care and stay at home. Believe in yourself. If you have questions or any doubt, don't hesitate to contact me at platform or by email, okay? Goodbye, guys.